is Monday, June 15th. I'm coming to you today with my keto grocery haul for the week. I didn't need too many items, so I just picked up the items that I'll be using this week for different recipes and things that we needed to restock on. So starting right here, I picked up 2 things of the Publix brand cashews. They're the roasted and sea salt cashews. So I picked up a thing of white ground pepper, some chives, peanut butter, some creamy melt Mexican cheese, as well as a Monterey Jack shredded cheese. I'm going to be making a scalloped faux potato dish using radishes, so I need a bunch of cheese for that, as well as some cream cheese to make the cheese sauce. I picked up a pack of Wright Applewood bacon. I picked up a pack of whole chicken wings. These can be used for hot wings throughout the week. I picked up 2 more things of the sugar-free Minute Maid lemonade. We picked up a thing of heavy whipping cream. I use this quite a bit as well for different recipes. Some unsweetened vanilla almond milk for my smoothies. I picked up a thing of pepperoni. This is a new item here on Keto. So this is by the brand Enlightened. It's their Keto Collection ice cream, and this is in the flavor red velvet. So it's a total of 1 gram of net carbs per serving. So let's see how many servings this has. Probably 4. So yeah, it's a total of 4 servings. So for the entire pint of ice cream, it's a total of 4 grams net carbs. So that's not bad at all. I'll let you guys know how this tastes. I picked up a Rebel ice cream, the salted caramel one. This again is my favorite flavor by Rebel. Picked up some more spinach. I'm going to be doing a chicken thigh recipe that calls for spinach this week, as well as spinach is needed for smoothies. And then I'll be trying a new vegetable this week. Is going to be asparagus. I've never cooked with asparagus, but I wanted to try something different. So I'm going to look up a recipe to make this with. Probably put some bacon around it and put it in the oven. That's probably what I'll do. So that's it. That's really all I needed for this week. I'm going to go ahead and put these items up, and then once I get started on dinner, I'll come and show you all what I'll be making.